Hey, everybody, hope you were doing all right. We have made it to the end of this kind of very strange semester. So let's go over this week. Not that much, but it's big. Your final is Monday and Tuesday, so that'll be open December 14th and 15th. It'll be open for those 48 hours. Now, we're going to use Respondus. You have to show your environment. When you're done recording your environment, go right into the test. You can't grab around and add things and all that. It happens more often than it should that someone has made it to this point in the semester and then they get a 0 at the very end for trying to, cheat on the final. So don't do that. Finish the semester the right way. Y'all are doing great on that for the most part. So just a public service announcement. It's on the chapter 20 and 21, so that's viruses, bacteria, and protists. And even though it's open for both of those days, if at all possible, please try to take this on Monday or like early Tuesday. The reason is, as soon as Tuesday is over, when I come in on Wednesday, I'm going to be working on final grades, and I'm going to be crunching because there's a lot of stuff. I've got several classes I've got to do that for. So the reason I say that is Monday, if you take the test and you run up into any hiccup, I can fix that. We can get it fixed on Tuesday. Tuesday morning, if you have an issue, we can probably get that fixed by the end of the day. But if you're taking the test like close to midnight on Tuesday, I will not be able to help you then. It'll go into probably Wednesday before we can try to get that fixed. So probably won't be an issue. Hopefully it won't. But if possible, try to take it a little early. That way we can have plenty of time to finish everything and I can get everything wrapped up by Tuesday. All right? So other than that, I've mentioned the end of semester survey a few times to you already. Got to have that by Tuesday. And then also the discussion board for this week. I know usually we do discussion boards and they're open until like Sunday after the test. But again, grades are due at the end of this week. So I need you to finish the discussion board by Tuesday. It's short. You've got a video to watch on bacteria. I know I talked about this last week too, so hopefully you've done it already. I know a lot of you have. But just make sure that you get that finished up and have that turned in by Tuesday. All right? Very weird semester online. I don't know if you had any classes in person, but those have been a big adjustment for everybody. So I've enjoyed it as much as you can enjoy an online class that's kind of in a weird circumstances. But I appreciate it. If you need anything in the future, please let me know. If you need have any questions about if you got to take 104 or anything like that, let me know that too. And hopefully I will see you all again soon. Thanks.